So hi everyone, get this question. The equation for real gas is given by equation is given like P plus A by V square V minus V is equal to RT. What is P, V, T and R? Is pressure, volume, temperature, gas constant. What is the dimension of AB to the power minus 2? Is equivalent to. Simply they are asking what is the dimension of AB. B power of B is minus 2. They are asking the dimension of this. So first of all, write the equation P plus A by B square B minus B is equal to R. Now, if you look at carefully V minus B, we can subtract, we can add any two physical quantity only when it is dimensionally homogenized. Clear? As per principle of homogeneity, we can add two physical quantities, we can subtract two physical quantity only when they have like same dimension. Clear? Sorry. So dimension of V is equal to the dimension of volume is L cube like this. Equation clear. Now look at this V plus A by V square. Here also I can say dimension of V is same as the dimension of this physical quantity A by V square. So dimension of P is force by area. Clear. So pressure dimension is like pressure is force by area and force is mass into acceleration. Acceleration is velocity by time. So m acceleration is what? Dimension of pressure is acceleration is velocity by time. Velocity is displacement by time. So it will be Lt minus 2. Area is L square. So it comes out to be ml minus 1 T minus 2. Clear? Clear? It will be like that. So dimension of A will be dimension of B multiplied dimension of V square. A is the volume, okay? So dimension of A will be what? ml minus 1 T minus 2 and it is L cube means L to the power 6. Dimension of A will be what? ml to the power 5 T minus 2. So what they are asking, dimension of AB to the power minus 2, it will be dimension of A, dimension of power minus 2. So here we got ml 5 T minus 2 power minus 2. So it will be L. This B square is L to the power 6. Okay. B to the power minus 2 is what? Let's look at this 1 upon B square is L to the power 6, L to the power minus 6. So it will be ml minus 1 T minus 2. ml minus 1 T minus 2 is the dimension of which physical quantity as per options. Let's look at this. Dimension of Planck constant is write down. It is ml square T minus 1. Strain has no dimension. Compressibility, its dimension is m minus 1 LT square. Energy density has dimension ml minus 1 T minus 2. So which option is correct? Option D. So compressibility is m minus 1 LT square. You can easily calculate the density of these four physical quantity by your own also, because if you know the formula, you can easily find. But Since options are given, at least we should know the dimension of these physical quantities. Then in a short time we can solve. So correct answer is option. Thank you so much.